Previously on TWiT.
If you are watching the live stream right now, Micah is a potato. Micah has gone Super Saiyan.
Hands-on wellness.
If you're not feeling well, yet you don't feel the need to visit an ER, you can still visit a doctor virtually. These two apps allow you to speak to a medical professional from the comfort of your home via video chat on your mobile device.
Security now.
The world now has a new term, Zoom bombing, and it's become a sub-industry of its own.
Hands-on Mac.
A lot of the things I'm going to talk about on Hands on Mac will involve use of the terminal. And if you're a developer, if you're just somebody who likes to geek out, getting into the command line and the terminal on Macintosh is a really great idea.
Hands-on Android.
If you're stuck at home like I am, and something tells me you might be, then you finally have some spare time to, I don't know, read a book or watch a movie or something. I've got a bunch of completely free options for Android.
MacBreak Weekly.
Apple has designed its own flat pack mask for healthcare workers, face shields. And he says we can manufacture these at a million of them a week. And it is, by the way, I want to point out, the thinnest face shield Apple has ever made.
Stay home and watch TWiT.